Animal quiz. Animals are weird. Proposing penguins? It gets stranger. Let's begin. What is a group of wolves called? It's a pack. Which animal cannot look up at the sky? A pig. How many chamber stomachs does a cow have? Four chambers. Which is the only mammal capable of true flight? A bat. Which animal can remember human faces for years and hold grudges? A crow. What color is an octopus's blood? It's blue. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A wandering albatross. Which is the only bird that can fly backwards? A hummingbird. Which animal has fingerprints nearly identical to humans? A koala. Which land animal is the fastest over a sprint? A cheetah. What is a baby kangaroo called? A joey. Which mammal lays eggs? A platypus. Which bird is this? It's a shoebill. Which animal can survive being frozen solid? A wood frog. Which animal can live without its head for weeks? A cockroach. Which animal punches with the speed of a bullet? A mantis shrimp. Which animal's tongue is longer than its own body? A chameleon. Which bird can sleep while flying for long a period? A frigate bird. What do penguins give as a proposal gift? A smooth pebble. Which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? An owl. What is a young one of a zebra called? A foal. Which animal can survive 3 to 5 months without oxygen? Goldfish. Which animal loses 30% of its body weight every time it poops? A sloth. A group of flamingos is called a what? A flamboyance. Which animal poops out perfect cubes to mark its territory? A wombat. Which animal has its digestive system in its legs? A sea spider. Which animal constantly farts to control how it floats or sinks? A manatee. Which animal shoots blood from its eyes to scare predators? The horned lizard. Which animal can regrow parts of its heart? An axolotl. Which tiny creature can survive in space, boiling heat, and extreme cold? A tardigrade. So, what's your score? Comment below. And subscribe.